Welcome back to my YouTube channel AutoSmartphone, where innovation meets excitement. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most awaited budget-friendly 5G smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G 2025. Samsung continues to impress with its A series, and this model brings a fresh balance between performance, design, and value for money that's hard to beat in its price segment. Let's take a close look at what makes this phone so appealing and why it's already turning heads across the market. First off, the design of the Galaxy A07 5G is a blend of simplicity and modern sophistication. The phone comes with a sleek matte finish that gives it a premium touch, complemented by gently curved edges that make it comfortable to hold. The back panel features Samsung's new minimalist camera layout, a vertical triple lens setup with LED flash, giving it that signature Galaxy aesthetic. Available in vibrant shades like mint green, graphite black, and ice blue, the phone's look definitely stands out in the budget range. The build feels solid, and despite being lightweight, it offers a durable grip that doesn't feel cheap in any way. Moving to the display, the Galaxy A07 5G sports a stunning 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, an impressive feature for this category. The visuals are sharp, colors are rich, and the brightness levels go up to 1000 nits, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling through social media, or gaming, this display delivers smooth and vivid performance that's a treat for the eyes. Samsung has always been a master of display technology, and the A07 5G proves that even budget phones can deliver a flagship-level viewing experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy A07 5G is powered by the Exynos 1330 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via microSD card. This setup ensures smooth multitasking, efficient power usage, and reliable 5G connectivity. The phone handles everything from daily tasks to medium-level gaming with ease. Apps launch quickly, background switching is seamless, and network performance stays consistent, thanks to Samsung's optimized One UI 7.0 based on Android 15. The system feels refined, responsive, and packed with smart features that enhance your overall experience. Now let's talk about what many users care about the most, the camera system. The Samsung Galaxy A07 5G features a triple rear camera setup, a 50MP primary lens, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP depth sensor. The main camera captures clear and crisp images with balanced colors and excellent dynamic range. Daylight shots look lively and detailed, while night mode adds a great deal of clarity and brightness without overexposure. The ultra-wide lens helps capture more of the scene in a single frame, perfect for landscapes or group photos. On the front, there's a 13MP selfie camera tucked into a tiny punch hole design, delivering sharp selfies with natural skin tones and excellent edge detection for portrait shots. Video recording supports up to 4K at 30fps, making it an ideal choice for vloggers and content creators who want professional-looking footage on a budget. When it comes to battery life, Samsung didn't hold back. The Galaxy A07 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts through a full day of heavy use, from gaming and streaming to social media and calls. With 25W fast charging, you can get from 0 to 50% in just about 30 minutes. The phone also comes with Samsung's AI battery optimization, which smartly manages background processes to extend your usage time even further. On the security and extras front, the phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock, Samsung Knox security, and even NFC for contactless payments. It also retains the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack and offers stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support for an immersive sound experience. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G 2025 is a perfect blend of style, performance, and affordability. It brings flagship-level features, like a 120Hz AMOLED display, 5G power, strong cameras, and a massive battery, into a price range that's accessible to almost everyone. It's the ideal phone for students, young professionals, or anyone looking for a future-ready 5G device without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for a phone that looks great, performs smoothly, captures stunning photos, and lasts all day long, the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G deserves your attention. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to AutoSmartphone, and stay tuned for more exciting smartphone reviews coming your way.